Our knowledge in kitchen appliance repair is over 35 years of experience. With Active Appliances, you'll receive the best service and support. Active Appliances is licensed, bonded, and insured for your protection. Our friendly and experienced technicians are all background checked and will work hard to win your trust. At Active Appliances, our goal is to stand out above the other appliance repair companies. We strive to do this by providing a quick repair experience done right the first time. We'll work with you and your schedule to complete your repair promptly. When your appliance needs repair, call Active Appliances. You can now place your service request online or check your job status on our website at www.activeappliances.com.